Albert Einstein changed the way we see space, time, and reality. But what is relativity and why does it matter? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Einstein's theory of relativity is about how things move in time and space. It explains that the rules in the universe are not the same for everyone. For example, time moves slower for someone traveling fast. This is called time dilation. The faster you go, the slower time moves for you. Here's an example. Imagine two twins. One stays on Earth, and the other travels in a spaceship near the speed of light. When the traveling twin comes back, they've aged less. That's because time moves slower for them. Einstein also discovered that space and time are connected. He called it space-time. Think of space-time as a giant fabric that stretches. Everything in the universe, like stars and planets, sits on this fabric. When something heavy, like the sun, sits on it, the fabric bends. This bending is what we feel as gravity. Imagine putting a bowling ball on a trampoline. The ball makes the surface sink, and smaller balls roll towards it. That's how gravity works in space-time. The more massive an object, the more it bends space-time. Einstein also showed that energy and mass are connected. This is the famous equation E equals mc squared. That means a tiny amount of mass can turn into a huge amount of energy. This idea is behind nuclear power and atomic bombs. It also explains how the sun shines, turning mass into energy. Think of it like this. You could turn a paperclip into pure energy. It could power a small city for a day. That's how much energy is in even tiny amounts of mass. Einstein's theory of relativity isn't just for scientists. It affects things we use every day. GPS systems, for example, use relativity. Satellites in space experience time slightly different than we do on Earth. Without correcting for that, GPS would be inaccurate. It also helps to understand the universe. Relativity explains black holes, how light bends around stars, and even how the universe is expanding. Einstein's theory of relativity shows how incredible our universe is. It's about how time, space, and energy connect. Even though it sounds complicated, it's all around us every day. What's your favorite fact about relativity? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.